All right, that should be it right there. Your mark is right on here. Pretty much where the pinion gear groove is lines with that mark. So you're going to set these two right there. Dot, 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 dot. And lube them up good. Now I'm going to spin this over a couple of times, and I'll dump a lot more assembly lube down the. I'll put assembly lube on the gears before I put the cam cover on, and on the pinion shaft, and down the lifter bores. And that should be it. I'll be putting the cam cover on later on. So if you guys like my content, please like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. And I'll show you how to check the end play too later on. Thank you.